Hey guys, I'm Jeff with Corner Creek Woodworking. Welcome to my shop. Today is Friday, September the 24th, and this is my shop update. Been a pretty busy week. I've just about got my planter stand finished. I painted it to match my drill charging station, and I'll have that video out next Friday. Probably going to do some plans for it. Well, I've got the plans, I just got to put them together. Not sure if I'm going to release them or not. If anybody wants them, just let me know in the comments below. But I probably will, just won't be next weekend. It'll be a week or two after that. So I'm working my way through Fusion 360. I've been talking about that for a few weeks now. It's coming along good. I'm really picking it up and really starting to enjoy it. Got a couple of projects that I've worked through on it, and it's going to be nice. It's going to bring my plans way up. So one thing I've been thinking about is what do I really want to do with this channel? I know a lot of people are hurting right now. Last year was pretty terrible, and this year is still kind of rough. A lot of people come out to their shop just to kind of get away from things. That's definitely how I got into this a few years ago. I was going through some tough stuff, and let me know if you guys want me to talk about that a little bit. Maybe we could use some of my experiences and the things that I've gone through to kind of lift people up. I think that's what I want to do with this channel. I think that's kind of what I want it to be. It's going to be projects. I mean, don't get me wrong, projects and tools and everything it's been being, but I think I want to add that to it. Let me know, guys, if there's anything that you guys are going through. You know, we can talk about it, see what goes on. But that is, that's pretty much it. Everything's just kind of moving along pretty good here in the shop. Having a lot of fun. My wife's been out here helping me. She's standing over there right now staring at me, so if I keep looking over there, that's why. But either way, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week.